Wait, wait, wait. Guys, just turn right now.
Turn right?
Yes.
Yeah. Wait.
Okay. Alright, she's driving again tonight. She's still practicing. Dito ano, turn right here. Oh, you can go straight. Ano pa lang naman siya, permit pa lang. Student permit pa lang. Hindi pa talaga totoong driver license. Kaya nag-practice. Siya ulit, ang gabi, galing sa kanyang karate. Dahan-dahan lang, hindi mo kailangan kumarunong. Slowly, but surely. Where you going? Put your blinker.
Turn this way?
Yes, you don't need to stop. You just go slow. There you go. Yes, that was a bad turn.
They're non-stopping turns in this one.
Yes. Then she's gonna be driving on Main Street. Is that what you're busy like the Philippines? But a bit busy for her. Madali ang ito. Go, hurry up. Go. Stay in your lane. Stay in your lane right now. Main Street busy. Stay in your lane. Don't be terrible, sis. It's gonna be 25, ano? Stay in your lane. Relax. Green light. You stay on this lane right now. So, stop sign. Okay. Stay in your lane. Speed up a little bit, ano? Okay, you can go over now. Be careful. Okay. There you go. Good. Straight. 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 Alam mo ba nakaka-nervous? Ganyan ang anak. Yun yung nagmamanin ko. May anak yung at hindi ko practice yun silang mag-drive. Nalalaman mo kung ano nararamdaman. Pero hindi niyo dapat pakitain pagka tinuturuan niyo sila mag-drive. Kasi pati sila nervous. Relax lang din kayo. Now, turn right here. You don't need to stop. Just slow down. Okay? Not bad. Yes.
I thought I was a little bit better.
No. Too slow. At lalo na sa gabi kayo magtuturo. Kailangan mas lalong nakakakaba pagka sa gabi. Kasi madali mong pasada. Kasi hindi pa sila sanay mag-drive pagkaga. Kasi nga, ano pa lang nag-umpisa pa. Kaya isa yung gabi sa nakakakaba pag